Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mowa. Myself Nimisha Mehta for class 6 English chapter 6. We have finished in our last lecture activity 5. Today let's start our activity 6. Have you ever come across the place full of rats? Here it is. The temple full of rats. Very dangerous, no? We also frightened with rats, mice. Okay. According to legend, first we understand the glossary. Legend means a story, not true, that people tell about a famous event or person. Incarnation, a particular life in religions that believe that we have many lives. Next, reincarnate, to take a second birth. Growing, feeling very sad because someone, usually a close one, has died. Descendants, children. Furry, here having a lot of fur means hair on body. Devotees, people who worship a certain god. Related with religious. Okay. Lunar cycle, the period of time about 29.5 days which the moon takes to go round the earth. Lunar eclipse, do you know? Excrement, the solid waste released from the bowels of a person or animal. Leftover, before noun, describes part of something that has not been used or eaten when the other parts have been here uneaten food, leftover food. Okay, I hope you understand this glossary. According to a legend, the Red Temple near Bikaner, Karni Mata's temple, dates back to 1400s. Karni Mata is an incarnation of the god Durga. Once he asked the death god Yama to give the son of a growing storyteller his life back, but Yama refused to help. So Karni Mata promised that all male storytellers, members of the Charan caste, would take birth as rats in her temple. So all that male take birth as rats. Do you know rats means mice? Mouse, mice. Okay. When they die as rats, again they will take birth as members of the Dipavats family. They become Karni Mata's children. For this reason, the Karni Mata's temple was built in the early 1900s to honor Karni Mata and her furry reincarnated devotees, means rats. This temple is home for around 20,000 rats. This temple is home for around 20,000 rats. Existing Dipavats families, almost 513 in number, feed them. Most of the temple devotees work at the temple in shift based on the lunar cycle, as per 29.5 days. Some families live in the temple permanently. They take care of the rats and sweep the floor of excrement and food crumbs. By that, rats. The rats are known as kabbas or little children. They eat grains, milk and coconut shells from large metal bowls. Water that rats have drunk from is considered holy, and eating the rats' leftovers is said to bring good fortune. According to the temple laws, if one of the rats is accidentally killed, it must be replaced with a red made of silver or gold. In our culture also, by mistake killing the cat, then also we have to replace with a silver or gold. So be mercy on animals and also on birds. Okay, don't kill them. So here, who is Karni Mata? Karni Mata is an incarnation of the goddess Durga. From this chapter, I send question answer. Here, new words. Reincarnate means to take a second birth. Descendants means children. Devotees, people who worship a certain god. Did you find any new words? I sent with PDF. Now we go as per our activity 7. Here they given table. Do I believe in this? Does my friend believe in this? So as per that believing, water the rat's drink from is holy, and eating the rat's leftovers brings good fortune. Do I believe in this? I am not. So I write here no, and my friend yes. Okay, as per your choice you fill this table. Now, attracted by the story of the rat descendants, you choose to visit this temple. You want your classmate to join you, but your classmate doesn't like rats. We also frightened, no? So, suppose your classmate is asking you the questions given below, what will you reply? Why should your classmate visit this temple? So here they given table. As per table, why should your classmate visit this temple? Because no other temple is like this. Because there the rats are not afraid of people. Why do you want your classmate to come with you? Because a temple crowded with rats is something unbelievable, and it arises curiosity in us. Next and last, why do you think this will be an interesting experience for your classmate? Because they might not have seen rats all together in this large number. They given a number of that rats. Okay. And rats move about the temple on their own will and eat freely from large metal bowls. Okay. Here also share your table with your classmates. Check how many get convinced. So as per the name we have to write ourselves from our classmates. So we do as per activity. Okay, I hope you understand this activity 7 and 8. Write down these exercises by PDF. Learn by heart. Thank you.